Out of the post-war American boom rose a rolling sculpture of chrome and steel that redefined luxury, capturing the pure spirit of a confident nation. This is the true story of the Cadillac Eldorado, an automotive titan whose styling evolved from flamboyant excess to sleek, modern elegance over 5 decades. From glittering showrooms to sun-drenched coastal highways, we explore how this single legendary nameplate became the undisputed symbol of American automotive wealth and prestige. The epic journey begins in 1953, when General Motors celebrated its golden anniversary with a breathtaking concept car turned limited production masterpiece. The stunning 1953 Eldorado convertible introduced a wraparound windshield and sweeping beltline, setting a new benchmark for post-war automotive design extravagance. Under the massive sculpted hood sat a high-compression V8 engine, delivering effortless power that matched the car's majestic presence on the wide-open boulevard. Only 532 units were built that year, making this rare jewel an instant collector item and a prized trophy for the elite. The gleaming chrome Dagmar bumpers and gold crest emblems spoke of an era when excess was celebrated and automobile design was treated as pure high art. But the visionary designers at Cadillac were only getting started, preparing to push the boundaries of length, fins, and styling to astonishing new extremes. Enter 1959. The absolute pinnacle of tailfin madness, where the iconic Eldorado Biarritz captured the sheer rocket-age optimism of the Eisenhower decade. Towering sharp bullet tailfins soared toward the sky, accented by dual bullet taillights and an audacious low-slung profile that commanded attention on any city street. Inside the opulent cabin, occupants were treated to luxurious leather seating, metallic dashboard accents, and advanced power conveniences that felt wonderfully futuristic for their time. The massive chrome egg crate grille gleamed under the midday sun, flanked by dual headlamps set inside sweeping housings that resembled jet fighter air intake cowlings. Weighing nearly 5,000 pounds, this glorious land yacht floated down the asphalt with a silky smooth ride that masked its enormous physical dimensions completely. The 1959 Eldorado remains an unmatched pop culture icon, representing the absolute zenith of mid-century American industrial design and exuberant styling confidence. As the turbulent 60s unfolded, automotive tastes shifted toward cleaner lines, leading to a stunning design revolution for the 1967 Eldorado model year. Featuring razor-sharp styling inspired by classic razor-edge coach building, this striking personal luxury coupe introduced front-wheel drive packaging to the esteemed Cadillac luxury lineup. Hidden headlamps behind a motorized metal grille gave the front end a mysterious, menacing stare that completely redefined personal luxury car aesthetics of that era. The remarkably long hood and crisp rear deck created a muscular yet sophisticated stance, winning universal acclaim from automotive critics and style-conscious buyers across America. Inside, rich walnut wood trim and plush seating created a private sanctuary of comfort, proving that American engineering could rival the finest European Grand Tourers. The iconic '67 Eldorado became an instant design classic, setting the template for personal luxury cars for the remainder of the tumultuous 20th century. Moving deep into the 70s, dimensions expanded once again as the 1976 Eldorado convertible arrived, marketed boldly as the last convertible built in America. Buyers rushed showrooms to secure these massive ragtops, packing enormous 8.2-liter V8 engines under hoods that stretched out toward the horizon indefinitely. With pillow-style leather seats, thick pile carpeting, and an endless array of luxury conveniences, driving this titanic cruiser felt like piloting a luxury living room. The heavy chrome grille and upright tail lamps emphasized sheer physical presence, making sure everyone on the road recognized the undisputed king of domestic luxury. Today, these 70s giants are celebrated for their unapologetic decadence, capturing a flamboyant chapter of automotive history that will never be replicated on highways again. As the new millennium approached, Cadillac prepared the final chapter for its legendary coupe, introducing the advanced 2002 Eldorado Collector's Series final model. Painted in the same proprietary red hue as the original 1953 model, this modern interpretation closed 50 years of uninterrupted automotive royalty with dignity. Underneath the sleek aerodynamic body, A high-performance Northstar V8 engine provided effortless modern speed, honoring the powerhouse heritage established over half a century prior. From fins and chrome to modern aerodynamics, the Cadillac Eldorado remains an immortal testament to the grand ambition and fearless creativity of classic American automotive engineering. Subscribe for more deep dives into automotive history, and share your favorite Eldorado generation in the comments below as our journey comes to rest.